Hey there, people. Well, I haven't been posting scrapping videos up because there's no scrap to be found. Like, I've went out a few times and it's just too cold, like way too much snow. Either it's way too much snow one day, then way too cold the next day. Like, it's just people aren't putting their stuff out. But anyway, we're gonna give it another go anyway. So let's see if we can find anything. Aha! Well, it looks like it's gonna be a one-piece day today. Just the stove and that's it. Well, I have a few more little streets to do and that'll be it for today, I guess. But on the upside of that, I got mail today. I got my art from Wicked Artist, and Lunatic sent me something. So I'll show you that when I get home. Well, we're here at the ski hill. I thought we'd show you guys some skiers, but it doesn't appear to even be open. Except, and they complain they're not making enough money. Huh. See something. It appears to be empty in there, but we'll go knock, and if not, I'll leave a note. Well, there's a few goodies in there. There's that washer. It's like bed frames and headboards and footboards. Hopefully he calls me back. One more spot to check. I get lots from these bins here. Nothing today. Well, there's my lonely piece. Well, I got this stuff from the other day too. A couple of things here. A couple buried things. Okay, let's go check out that mail and have a glass of wine. So yeah, scrapping's been pretty shitty lately, that's for sure. Tomorrow's the day. Just watch. Tomorrow will be the big day. But anyway, I got my parcels in front of me. The first one we're going to look at is the one from Wicked Artist. I'm lucky to get this. It went to the wrong house. The lady opened it up, pulled the poster out, or the art, and seen my name on it, looked it up, called my dad, brought it to my dad's house, and I got it. Like, I almost lost this thing. But anyway, let's go check this out. It's pretty wicked. How wicked is that? I don't think my camera's gonna do it justice. Well, they don't call him the Wicked Artist for nothing. Detailed from hell. I put it on my fridge for now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might get it laminated. I might put it in a frame. We'll see. But that's sharp. Trippy. Alright, and the second package is from Lunatic. He also has a website called Rednecks Gone Wild. Anyway, let's see what he sent me. There was a few things in that box. 2 Lunatic cups. The official blue Lunatic cup. Okay, before I go any further, let's go fill one of these up. So I guess now I'll be drinking out of a real blue cup, not one of these buck store cups. Oh yeah. Cheers to Lunatic. Cheers to Wicked Artist. Right on, guys. Okay, let's see what else he sent me. A bunch of stickers. Like, I mean a whack of stickers. Okay, let's go stick one up on my wall. The wall. Hell yeah. I've got lots more to put up. I'm a lazy guy. Lazy guy. And he sent me this shirt. Check this out. How wicked is that? Right on, guys. Well, I appreciate it, man. Spoil me again. I said it before and I'll say it again. I get the best subscribers ever. Right on, people. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later. Very kick-ass shirt. Very kick-ass. Lunatic. Be sure I'm going to pass these stickers out to everybody I know, buddy. Oh yeah. Especially the boggers.
JJ, did you get a new toy, buddy? Is that your new toy, buddy? Hey? Hey, buddy? At least you knew what to do with it. Your sister just sat in there instead of clawing it. You done clawing, JJ? Hey? Grandma sent this home for the cats because Spice would not claw or sleep in it or do anything with it. First thing JJ does is claw the heck out of it, the bottom of it. It's just made of cardboard, see? He likes it. Look up here. Come on, look up. No? You don't want to look up for the camera? Tell me, why is it every time we take out the camera you stop doing whatever it is you're doing that was really cute? Hey baby, do you like your new box? You know, you're supposed to scratch the bottom, eh? Scrappy, not lay in it and clean yourself. Hey. Hey. Did you hear me? Is that good? Oh, you're chewing your foot again. I swear this cat bites our nails.